Let's take a break from talking about results and let's focus on customer support. Now, there are some customers who come to me and they feel like they already have everything together, but they just need a few pieces of information and then they kick me to the curb. I don't hear from them for a while. Then there are others who need a little bit more hand-holding, a little bit more support. They've never done ads to this magnitude before. If they've never done ads before and they really, really need help and hand-holding, well, I'm more aggressive with those people because I want them to feel the love. I hate when people pay for something and they feel like they've been thrown away after the investment has been made. So I'm going to be there when you make your first appointment. I'm going to be there when you put up the ads. I'm going to be there to give you instructional vids. I'm going to be there to give you some motivational messages. I'm going to be there to make sure you have your mind right when you're calling the leads. I'm going to be there to role play with you. If you need someone to role play, I'm going to be there. So it's more than just teaching you. It's being there to make sure that you're actually successful. So when you're in the program, you really, really have to work the program. And I want to help you. So if that's you, I want you to text message leads, area code 626-328-3850, or you can click the link that's in my bio and book a time to speak with me. I'll talk to you soon.